Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Civic back seat. First, locate the release latches, which are usually found near the top corners of the seat back. These might be small fabric loops or plastic levers. Before you begin, make sure to move your front seats forward to give yourself plenty of room to work. Once you've found the latches, pull each release mechanism firmly. You should hear a distinct click as the seatback disengages from its locked position. If your Civic has a split-fold rear seat, you'll need to repeat this step for both sides to fully release the entire backrest. Take your time to ensure a proper release. With the latches released, gently push the top of the seat back forward into the trunk area. Guide the seat down smoothly and carefully to prevent any damage to the upholstery or the folding mechanisms. Always check that there are no objects obstructing the seat's path, ensuring it can fold completely flat without issue. After folding, confirm the seat is fully down and stable. When you're ready to return the seat to its upright position, simply push it back until you hear a firm click, indicating it's securely locked. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic choice for lasting comfort and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.